We'll guide you through how to install Gitea via Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, start by opening File Explorer on your computer, navigate to your preferred drive or folder location, create a new directory, and name it Gitea-server. Once that folder is created, click on the address bar located at the very top of the window, highlight the complete text, and copy that folder path directly to your clipboard. Next, hold down the Shift key, right-click anywhere in the empty white space, and select the option to open a PowerShell window right there in that directory. Begin writing your Docker run command, instructing the system to run the container quietly in the background by using the detached mode flag. Set the container name to MyGitea and add a policy to automatically restart it whenever the engine boots up. Map the web interface port by linking port 3000 on your computer to that same internal port. Similarly, map the secure shell port by linking port 2222 on your host to port 22 inside the container. You must also mount your data directory to ensure your work is saved. Add a volume mapping that links your copied path directly to the internal data folder. Finish your instruction by adding the official Gitea image from the registry. To review, your complete command combines the detached run instruction, the container name, the restart policy, your web and secure shell port mappings, your folder path volume mount, and the official image name. Make sure to replace any placeholder paths in that command with the actual folder path you copied earlier. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to execute this command and start the container. With the background service running, open your web browser and visit the local dashboard by typing http://localhost:3000 into the address bar. When the setup page loads, leave the database setting as the default SQLite. Create your administrator account and follow the remaining prompts to finish the setup.